Hello my rainbows. In today's video, we're talking hair. Sometimes you just want to do something new with your hair. You gotta jazz it up a little bit. And a lot of times when we wear our hair in braids or box braids, we feel like this is it. No. We can have fun without braids, you guys. Let's do something cute. So today I'm thinking bangs. Let me show you how I do my bangs. Okay, to put bangs in my box braids, you only need one thing. Rubber bands. That's all you need. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So the first thing you wanna do is section off which braids are gonna be your bangs. There's no exact way to do this. I like my braids to be a little random. So I just start at the bottom and I just keep adding until I feel like it's full enough. But I might use all of this, I might not. Let's see. You take the braids you think you want to use, the braids that are in the front. I'm just using a braid to put the back of my hair in a ponytail. Okay, the back is pulled back. Now, let's start with the front. I'm gonna start with my front braids just because I want to get a very good idea of how I'm gonna frame my face. So all the ones that are along your edges, you want to grab those. I look crazy, I know, it's okay. So you take a braid and you decide how long you want that braid. Now, unfortunately for me, I need this pretty short. So I want it to go above my eye, but below my eyebrow, like that. So you just want to bend it where you want it to end, right? So now that you have it up, you're going to take it and wrap it around like this. And go down and down and down. And when there's like a little bit left, I head back up. Back up, back up, back up. Now there are multiple ways I do this. Sometimes I need rubber bands, sometimes I don't. Depends on how long your braids are, how much of these thin ends you have, because sometimes you see how my ends are thin. I just use that to tightly wrap it around. And it's usually enough. I usually don't have to reinforce it with a rubber band. So you can decide for yourself if you feel like your braids, your bangs need a little reinforcement, then add a rubber band. But see, that's one. Let's keep going. Okay, so did I forget one? Oh, maybe I should have taken this one for the framing. So outside of this green one here, I've taken all of the front layers, and you see why I take so many braids for the front, because if I only do the front braids, this is how it would look. And I'm sure someone could make this look work, but I don't want to. I think I need more than this. I'd like my bangs to be fuller. And work your way down like this. Down, down, down the road, down the witch's road. Down, 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 down the witch's road. Upwards. Oh, I was using too much pressure. So depending on the way your braids are, you might want to reinforce that with a rubber band, but me, don't even bother. And now I can kind of really see how my bang is gonna look once it's all put together. So I'm gonna take these three and just put them out the way, because I'm gonna decide if I really want these in my bangs or not. I might not need them. this is what we have for the bang. Oh, one of them unraveled. And this is why you might want to consider putting rubber bands over it. This is what my hair would look like if I were to wear the bangs with it down. I usually don't. Once I put the bangs in, now it's time for some fun styles. That's my bangs. And you can like curl them as needed, but I'm gonna show you what I like to do. Let me style my hair. Give me a second. Okay. Quick little pigtail style. So what I like to do in lieu of rubber bands, I get little clips, barrettes, butterflies, whatever I could put on to add a little bit of security and a little extra color. So I have these little clips. I'm gonna add some of these. And if you like me and you like to be extra, which I always am, I like to add some flowers. So I have these clip-on flowers that I made. I like to add these to my hair as well. I also have little butterflies. I think I'm gonna add some butterflies too. Okay, hold on. I see you. I see you. You shan't get the best of me. When you see them unravel, you can just twist it back up. I'm just doing this to record a video for right now, and then I have to do a meeting, and then I'm taking it out, so I don't have to put the rubber bands in. But put rubber bands on. If that happens, just put the rubber bands on. Don't be a hero like me. Don't be this guy. Put the rubber bands in your hair. Okay, now let's get the final look. And that's how I do my bangs and my fun hair. I love doing fun hair. This is like my jam, okay? I'm really excited. I don't get to do fun hair a lot during the winter, but it's been getting warmer. So as the warm weather comes, so shall the fun hair come back. I've been being real chill during the winter, but it's time to release the hairstyles. It's time to play. It's time to play with our hair. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.